Is your SEO strategy obsolete? Welcome to Geo Tracking. Hey everyone, and welcome back to the channel. If you've been following the massive shifts in digital marketing, you've probably heard the buzz around Generative Engine Optimization, or GEO. We've talked about what it is and how to adapt your content. But today, we're tackling the million-dollar question. How do you actually know if your GEO efforts are working? Traditional SEO metrics like keyword rankings and backlinks are still important, but they don't tell the whole story in the age of AI-powered search. When a user gets a direct, synthesized answer from an AI chatbot, they might not even click through to your website. So, how do you measure success when a click is no longer the main goal? That's exactly what we're diving into. We're going to explore a new set of metrics and tools designed specifically for this new generative landscape. So grab a notepad because you're going to want to write this down. Let's start by defining the new key performance indicators for GEO. Think of these as your new North Stars. The first, and arguably one of the most crucial, is the **AI citation rate **. This is simply the frequency at which your brand, your products, or your content are mentioned or cited directly in AI-generated responses. If a user asks a question related to your industry and the AI model references your website as a source, that's a huge win. It's the new ranking, but instead of a position on a list, it's a direct endorsement within the answer itself. Tracking this tells you how visible and authoritative your content is in the eyes of the AI. Next up is **, brand context accuracy **. It's one thing to get mentioned. It's another thing entirely for that mention to be correct and positive. This metric measures how accurately AI engines describe your brand, your services, and your unique value proposition. Are they correctly explaining what you do? Are they highlighting the features you want to be known for? Misinformation can spread like wildfire, so monitoring the context of your brand mentions is vital for protecting your reputation. A high accuracy rate means your core messaging is successfully being picked up and relayed by the AI. Now, let's talk about the bottom line. Conversion quality. You might notice that traffic from AI platforms is lower in volume compared to traditional search, but don't let that fool you. The quality of these users is often significantly higher. Why? Because they've already received a detailed answer and are coming to your site for a specific high-intent action, like making a purchase or booking a demo. They're not just browsing, they're pre-qualified. So instead of just tracking the number of conversions, you need to analyze their quality. Are these leads a better fit for your business? Do they have a higher lifetime value? High conversion quality from AI sources is a powerful indicator that your GEO strategy is attracting the right audience. Another critical metric to watch is your ** share of voice **. This isn't a new concept, but its application in GEO is it measures your brand's presence in AI results compared to your competitors. For a given set of industry-related questions, how often are you mentioned versus them? Are you the primary source, a secondary source, or completely absent? A growing share of voice means you are successfully positioning your brand as a leading authority in your niche, directly within the AI-generated answers that users are increasingly trusting. It's the new battleground for market leadership. Beyond these primary KPIs, there are a few secondary metrics that provide deeper insights. The first is the *** content synthesis rate ***. This measures how often your content is being used and combined with information from other sources to create a comprehensive AI answer. If the AI is frequently weaving your data, your statistics, or your unique perspectives into its responses, it shows that your content is seen as a valuable building block of knowledge. It's a sign of high quality, original content that the AI deems trustworthy enough to blend into its own narrative. Then there's *** question coverage ***. This metric looks at the percentage of your target questions and user queries that actually trigger a mention of your brand. You should have a list of strategic questions you want to own in AI search. Question coverage helps you track your progress. Are you showing up for 10% of those questions? 50%? 90%? This allows you to identify gaps where competitors are being featured and you're not, giving you a clear roadmap for where to focus your content creation efforts next. It's about strategic visibility where it matters most. We also have *** authority signals ***. This is about tracking when AI models specifically cite your content for its expertise, like quoting an expert from your team or referencing a proprietary data point from one of your reports. When an AI response says according to a study by your company, or as your expert explains, ... double quotes, that is a massive credibility booster. These are powerful trust signals, not just to the end user, but also to the AI model itself, reinforcing your status as an authoritative source for future queries. Finally, we need to consider ***, cross-platform consistency ***. Users interact with various AI engines, from Google's AI overviews to Perplexity to ChatGPT. This metric tracks the alignment of your brand message across these different platforms. Is your brand being described consistently everywhere? A consistent message reinforces brand identity and trust. If one platform describes you one way and another describes you differently, it can create confusion and dilute your brand's power. Ensuring consistency is a key part of managing your brand's digital presence in the AI era. Okay, so we've covered the what to track. Now let's talk about the how. Measuring all of this manually would be a nightmare. Thankfully, new tools are emerging to help us make sense of it all. One of the most promising ones I've been exploring is HubSpot's suite of AI tools. Specifically, their asterisk, 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 think of the AI search grader, asterisk, think of the AI search grader as your comprehensive geo dashboard. It's designed to give you a 360-degree view of your performance in generative search. It helps you track your brand's visibility across multiple AI platforms, essentially automating the measurement of that AI citation rate and share of voice we just discussed. You can see where you're showing up, and just as importantly, where you're not. This is invaluable for understanding your current standing in the generative landscape, but it goes deeper. The tool also provides a content strength and weakness analysis. It can pinpoint which pieces of your content are resonating with AI models and which are falling flat. This is like getting a direct feedback loop from the AI itself. It might tell you that your blog post on X is frequently cited, but your guide on Y is being ignored. This insight is gold because it helps you double down on what is working and fix what isn't. One of the most powerful features is the competitive benchmarking. The AI search grader allows you to see how you stack up against your main competitors directly within AI results. You can analyze their share of voice, see which questions they are owning, and identify opportunities to outperform them. It turns GEO from a guessing game into a data-driven strategy.